Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I braid my hair and install my kinky crotchets, or you can also call it my DIY crochet kinky hair. So first of all, I'm going to part my hair into two. It doesn't really have to be a perfect straight line. So I'm going to braid the front of my hair and I'm going to be using expression attachment because I need the length of the hair to be very long because it gets very useful and I want to keep the back. So I'm patting my hair in a slant position because I want the overall look to have like a C part at the end. You can choose to make this side the center of your part or the other side too. It all depends on what you want. So I mentioned before that I needed the hair to be long. So here's what I needed for. I needed to attach the front part with the back of my hair. So I'm going to start with the long attachment and I'm going to take you round my hair. It's going to make it easier for you to go round my hair. So after plaiting my hair in circles, round and round circle, I have one strand of hair left. So I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm going to sew it down so it won't stick out. So guys, for the installation process, I'm going to take a piece of my DIY hair, then I'm going to roughen it up a little bit, and I'm also going to separate it into 2 or 3 pieces depending on the thickness of the hair. Roughing it up will give it the kinky look and also make it look more natural. So I'm going to install it using my crochet pin. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the hook underneath my hair, then hook my kinky hair on the crochet pin, and then pull out one side of the hair and tighten it. So I'm going to be repeating the same process throughout my hair. So guys, this is my hair the next day. I made a huge mistake of not trimming my hair, and I just slept off immediately after finishing my hair. So I woke up with knots, a lot of them in my hair. So now I'm just going to be trimming out the knots, and I'm going to show you how you can brush out your hair with your fingers, because if you use a comb you're going to roughen it up. So I'm going to be using shea butter and water. I'm going to be mixing it together, and I'm just going to run my finger through my hair and then pull it out. Then subsequently, if I encounter any knots, I'm also going to use scissors to trim out the knots. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more of this type of video. Guys, please let's take this channel to 100 subscribers. Bye.